Hello everyone, my name is Garrett. Today I will tell you about how I prepared for the celebration of Christmas and New Year. I started preparing for these wonderful winter holidays in advance because I had to make a lot of gifts for my friends who live in different parts of the world. I really like making handmade gifts because they convey warm feelings well and keep the best memories. Many of my friends, like me, are big Harry Potter fans, and the winter time of waiting for gifts and New Year's miracles fits perfectly with the atmosphere of this fabulous magical world. Do you love Harry Potter as much as I do?
I still need a wand.
A wand? Well, you want Ollivander's. There ain't no place better.
I like to do handcrafts. While I'm making magic wands or writing letters, I have a reason to think about something good, to remember my friends. I'm sure that my good memories and positive things will somehow be preserved in all the things that I do. Maybe the things I created attract good luck and are a storehouse of positive emotions. This year, I worked with a lot of new materials and really enjoyed it. At first, I wanted to talk about how I created all those things that you see on the screen. And then I decided that I didn't want to spoil the miracle. Let you imagine Ollivander's shop and real dragons and not my creative workshop with brushes and paints. So, getting ready for Christmas is always a magical time for me. I start by decking home with all sorts of festive decorations. You know, the twinkling lights, and of course, the Christmas tree. It's like turning my home into a winter wonderland. Now, when it comes to writing letters to friends, that's one of my favorite parts. I usually grab a cup of hot cocoa, sit by the fireplace and pour my feelings onto paper. I share the highlights of my year, the funny stories, and sometimes even the little challenges. It's a way to connect on a deeper level, you know? And I always make sure to add a touch of holiday cheer and sprinkle some good wishes. The holiday atmosphere, oh boy, it's electric. The air is filled with the scent of cinnamon and pine. I love strolling through Christmas markets, sipping on mulled wine and picking out thoughtful gifts for my loved ones. There is this warmth in the air, and people seem to be a bit kinder, more giving. And then there is a big day itself. The anticipation of waking up to a world wrapped in white, the joy of unwrapping presents, the laughter around the table during Christmas dinner. It's just priceless. It's a day to be grateful, to be surrounded by the people who matter most. So, preparing for Christmas is not just about the decorations and the gifts. It's about creating memories.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We